Current Generation is an after-school program that combines the physics curriculum with solving real-world problems. We design, 3D print, and solder circuit boards and light cases to send to students suffering from light poverty.
Before, when they wanted to study after dark, they would have to burn kerosene or burn brush, which is really bad for their lungs. I didn't know that this was an issue before, but once I found out about it, I really wanted to help. We start out by designing a case. We decide if it's going to be a lamp or if it's going to be a lantern, and then we 3D print them. After we have the case printed, we will solder the LEDs and the resistors in, and then we will assemble the light by soldering the switch and the battery. Then we put it all together, hot glue it, and then we send them overseas.
I learned a whole bunch of new things and different things. And the biggest one for me was public speaking. I ended up giving presentations for 19,000 people or so at ISTE conferences and poster sessions at Princeton University and things like that really shifted how confident I could be in front of people speaking, and it really changed what I planned on doing with my life. Having more programs like this around the world would really change the way that education is viewed and how students are impacted.
It's very important for programs like Current Generation to exist, to provide girls with the safe space to learn and explore new options and give them the confidence they need to potentially change the world. Girls bring the heart and the empathy and the passion and the new ideas to change the STEM field.
And it's more than just for myself. It's more than just a number on a piece of paper. It's a project that's going to change a life and going to impact a community.
Current Generation gives me power, it gives me confidence, and it gives me the ability to make a real change. Learning for a purpose makes you want to learn.